eat a lot of bananas, so that's why I am fine, or I feel okay now. It's very, I feel sad if my potassium chloride will low, or my potassium level. So I need to take my potassium chloride, guys. Finish our floor area, or the what's that? Oh, the room bar, 10 by 10. And then outside I need to floor wax, put the floor wax there, because there's no kuan kanang floor mat, but that's why floor wax, I need to put floor wax. I will put in place now the things that I this is. I will put this in the window so that the plants can see sunlight. Look at my plants. I put them there to light photosynthesis ba, because plants get photosynthesis from sunlight, right? So that's why I put them there every morning, and then the other one is not it over there. And also the banana peel, I keep this. I will cut this into small pieces and then put in the plants as a fertilizer. See, this is good fertilizer.